Two people can love each other deeply and still slowly drift apart without realizing it. At first, relationships feel effortless. You talk for hours. You laugh at small things. You feel wanted. But over time, many couples stop paying attention to the little things that once made the relationship feel alive. They stop listening carefully. They stop expressing appreciation. They assume love will maintain itself automatically. It won't. Love needs attention, not just during romantic moments, but during ordinary days too. Sometimes a relationship starts breaking long before the breakup actually happens. It happens when conversations become shorter, when phones become more interesting than each other, when "how was your day" becomes a routine question instead of genuine curiosity. And the dangerous part is this: most people don't notice the emotional distance until it becomes permanent. A healthy relationship is not built on perfection. It's built on consistency. Small actions matter more than dramatic promises. A warm hug after a stressful day. A simple compliment. Remembering something your partner said weeks ago. Checking on them when they become quiet. Those things create emotional safety. And when emotional safety disappears, people stop opening up. They begin hiding feelings to avoid arguments. They say "I'm okay" even when they're hurt. Eventually, silence replaces connection. Another mistake many couples make is trying to win every argument. Real relationships are not about defeating each other. They are about understanding each other. Because once respect disappears, love slowly struggles to survive. And one truth many people learn too late is this: love changes over time. In the beginning, love feels exciting and intense. Later, real love becomes calmer, more peaceful, more stable. That doesn't mean the relationship is dying. It means the relationship is becoming real. The strongest relationships are not the loudest ones. They are the ones where two people continue choosing each other, even during difficult seasons. Because at the end of the day, relationships rarely end from one big moment. They usually fade through small, repeated habits that slowly destroy connection over time.